So here are the first names of those who've entered the free giveaway. It's a nice small group, so your chances are great. Some of you have your name 2 or 3 times because you entered more than once, as was offered. So thank you. Let's do the draw. All right, let's get into it. Here goes your names. We've got Doug, Bridget, Carlene, Amanda, Dugan, Shiva, Alice, Kim, Lori, Tracy, Steph by 2, Candace by 2, Magda by 3, and Melanie also by 3. All right, here we go. Shuffle them up. Shuffle. Highest Divine, please help me find those who need the reading the most. The first reading, Melanie. Yay, Melanie. All right, here we go. Congratulations, Melanie. Number 2. Magda, here we go. Congratulations, Magda. Number 3. Oh, Magda again, so we pick someone else. Here we go. Amanda. All right. Number 4. Steph. Congratulations. And number 5. 5 portal. Bridget. All right. Thank you everyone so much for participating. I still have special bonuses even for those who didn't win the 5 spots. So stay tuned. All right. Check below. And I'll be meeting your energies soon.